In this DIY, we're going to show you how to make this spring wreath. You will need a metal hoop, battery wire lights, foliage, a hot glue gun and some ribbon. Don't forget to check your lights work before you begin. We have started by wrapping the hoop in our wire lights. Continue around the hoop, making sure to leave enough room for the battery pack. Heat up the glue gun, apply a good amount of glue and secure the battery pack in place. Our next step is optional, but we decided to disguise the batteries with some ribbon. If you do this, make sure you can still access the switch. We've chosen to use lavender and faux flowers to decorate our wreath, making sure to cover the battery pack and the bottom of the hoop. Feel free to trim down the foliage to make it easier to stick onto the wreath. There are many ways you can style this wreath. We've decided to hang ours. You can use it as a centerpiece on your wall or as a table decoration. Thanks for watching, and remember, share the joy by sending us your version.